Hello dear viewers, this is Dheeraj, English Guru, and now today the day has come that we are going to release a great video of video recording class. On every week we just release one video of video recording class, and many more students are sitting here and they will record their speech, and by their speech you will get motivated and you will think that you have to speak English. My dear viewers, now I am going to introduce one by one my excellent, eloquent student. Now I would like to call a good speaker of our coaching center, excellent speaker, eloquent speaker. I would like to call, put your hand together for him, please come on stage, Shivam Kumar. Please come on stage.
First of all, very good morning to all of you. And my name is Shivam and I am here to deliver a speech. So my topic is some various aspects of a student life. So first of all, I want to talk about failure. If you talk about failure, every student and each and every person doesn't want to get failure, but according to me, failure is the biggest teacher. And if you talk about failure, the person who get more and more failure will definitely get success one day. If we talk about failure, many of our students get demotivated due to the failure. But I can tell you this from example. I think we all know Thomas Alva Edison. If we talk about Thomas Alva Edison, he was the inventor of the light bulb, and before inventing the light bulb he get failed 1,000 times, and after 1,000 times he will get the success. But the biggest thing is that in the 1,000 time he never stopped to try again and again. And the other thing that we can observe is that in every 1,000 time he doesn't repeat his last mistake. So this is the biggest thing that we can learn from Thomas Alva Edison. And if we talk about nowadays, much of our students get demotivated after 2 or 3 attempts. So I think that we have to think about Thomas Alva Edison and doesn't try to stop and try again. And the second thing that I want to talk about is thoughts. If we talk about the thoughts, much of our student and friends tells that thought is very negative, and negative thought schools get you demotivated. But I think that who makes the thought negative or positive? It's only you who decide that the thought is negative or positive. It totally depends upon you. So thought is a neutral thing. Let us take example. If any type of thinking is negative for me, then it is not compulsory that it will also negative for the other one. So this is the biggest point we can note, that thought are the neutral things. And the biggest thing is that if you control our thoughts in a good manner, we can finally and get success in our life. So I think it's very important for a student life to get attached to the good thoughts and control our bad thoughts. And after that, the third thing I want to talk about is the biggest problem of our much of the student life is they get easily demotivated and they can't able to control their anger. So I have a story to tell you about how to control the anger. So basically this is a story of a family in which a daughter of 9 years lives. The biggest problem is that she is very angry. She is very angry person, and she always scold on her parents, her father, anyone. But he only respect his teacher. He only respect his teacher. So one day his family tell to his teacher that my daughter is so much angry, and so his parents tells to the teacher, please try to emulate my daughter so that he cannot get more and more anger. So his teacher tell a story to his daughter that practically he tell his student to do one thing, that if you get anger, then put a nail inside a put a nail inside a door, and how many times you will get anger, then put nails every time into the door. Then after 7 or 8 days, the girl observed that he put the 500 approx 500 nails into the door, and after 7 days the teacher told her that you have to exhale one nails each and every day. Then after 500 days he will able to excrete all the nails from the door. But after that the teacher told to the daughter, the you patches you see in the door is the permanent bad thing told by you to the parents and the other person, and the nail is like a thoughts like the thoughts you will give to your parents, and after sorry you will able to excrete the nails, but the patches you give are the permanent damage you give to your parents. So it's all about the anger. Thank you, that's all.
You listened Shivam. Shivam told us about how to control anger, how to think, and how to overcome on the failure. My dear viewers, you all have faced such type of problem after being failure. You think, you desperate, you just think that you can't do anything. But in this way, Shivam told us that how to control our fear, how to control our failure, and how to overcome on the failure. How to control our anger, it was a great way. And I appreciate him. The way he was talking, the way he was speaking was great. Thank you, Shiva. This video is made for you. This video is constructed for you so that you can listen, you can get motivated, and you can think yourself that you can also speak English, my dear viewers. So if you listen and you think that this was a good video, then you can like the video, you can subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, then you can ask question in our comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.